Lazy Sundays. If it's the first time you visit my channel, welcome. I'm in my friend's apartment on the floor. Yeah, and with a cat right there, LE1 right there. Today's video is going to be about this palette. This is from Anastasia's Norvina palette, and I just recently got this and I've been loving it, and I want to talk about it because this is new, and yeah, this is my new favorite palettes currently. Honestly, I already used it a little bit, so it's not like a first impression, but still a lot of colors I haven't used. I think the packaging is really pretty, but I really do not like the felt because it just attracts all of this dirt and makeup, and at the end of the day, after you use it for like 2 months, it's gonna be so dirty. But overall, I really like the packaging and I really like the color. There are 14 shades, 7 matte and 7 shimmer shades. So I'm gonna play around with it in this video and just to show you guys what kind of colors they have and what they look like on my eyes. But first I'm gonna use this color. It's called Volatile. It's purplish gray with like a brownish color. I'm just gonna use that as my base. Oh, by the way, I already like put some foundation on, did my brows, so I'm just gonna do my eye makeup. So I usually just do it from the starting of the outer corner and then just like kind of put it into the crease. Blend it out. Now I'm going to use this beautiful color, Soul. This kind of like purplish blue color with a little gray undertone, and it's like very pretty. I love this color. I think that's the reason why I got this palette, because I feel like this color is like really special. Apply that and just blend it with the brown shade. Such a pretty color. And now I'm going to use the shade Drama. It's like this shimmery purple with like dark undertone. And I'm going to apply that on top of Soul. I really like my outer corner to be darker, just gradually become lighter. That's just how I like it, but yeah. Use a flat brush, you can just pack it on. And then like maybe drag it down to your bottom lashes. Maybe I will mix Rose Gold and Dazzling together because they're kind of like the same eccentric, shimmery kind of look. So I'm gonna use those too. Do you guys see that? That's like such a good color. It's so pigmented. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this closely, not closely, but like a little bit closer to my lash line, not dragging all the way to my crease. I'm gonna use this Dazzling color for the inner corners of my eyes. Just dab it. So now I'm gonna use this lovely color called Love. Haha. Anyway, it's a baby pink color. You won't be surprised how pigmented this baby pink color is. Like, I was shocked. I'm gonna put this on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna use the shade Love Child, and I'm just gonna pack it on top of that baby pink color. This is a shimmery pink. I love this color. This is like also one of the favorite colors. So I'm gonna apply some lashes. I recently started cutting my lashes into half because I don't really like my lashes on the inner corners, so it just feels uncomfortable for me. This is the length of my lashes right now, but I just cut it in half. This one's from Daiso too, it's cheap. this palette, Norvina. To create this look, I really like it, especially the pink underneath. So good. And I just feel like I need to go out right now because my eye makeup is done. I mean, I could have done a lot of things to my face, but the whole point of this video is to show you guys how to use this palette. And if you guys are thinking about purchasing this palette, I highly recommend it. It's so pigmented. And also, like, any colors that you use in this palette, it will look so great on your eyes. The only thing I do not like is just the packaging. It's already dirty. Just to show you how dirty the palettes will be. This is my Modern Renaissance palette. As you can see, it's like, yeah, it's been through a lot, okay? Packaging just attracts dirt, because you can see a lot of cat hair, coffee spill, whatever you have, it will just like stay on there. But overall, I really like it, and I highly suggest you to get it. And yeah, so yeah, if you guys like this video, please do subscribe down below to Lazy Sundays. And I do have a personal blog, and I will link it right here in the cards and in the description down below. And I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!